Gluten-free cookies dipped in chocolate and topped with pistachio is what we are going to make today. Welcome back to Healthynidhi, your place where good food is made easy. So today we are making a very delicious cookie which will be dipped in chocolate and topped with pistachio, which will be chewy and so full of flavor. These cookies are great for lunch boxes or as a snack with your coffee or a quick sweet treat when you are craving for something sweet but do not want to pack in those calories. These cookies are chewy and nutty and a perfect vegan and gluten-free dessert idea when you're really looking for something delicious and so healthy. To make the cookie dough, we take 1 cup of powdered oats which has been powdered at home using instant or rolled oats, 1 cup of almond meal, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt. Mix the dry ingredients well so that everything is mixed together and well combined. Then in another bowl, we take 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal and soak it in 3 tablespoons of water and allow it to jellify for a short while. In case you're liking the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Then to this we add half a cup of dark brown or light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil, some vanilla extract for that added flavor. Mix everything together till well combined. Then we add the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients and combine it together. We have worked over the measurements so you will see how everything will come together beautifully and will instantly turn into a cookie dough, which will become your favorite cookie dough next time. Then we take a cookie sheet and line it with parchment. With the help of an ice cream scoop, we divide the dough into 9 parts. In case you do not have an ice cream scoop, use a spoon to divide the dough equally. With the help of a fork, press the top of the cookies to flatten. Then refrigerate it for 30 minutes for the dough to chill. Then bake it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes till the top is golden. Remember to keep an eye on the cookies at all times as they burn very easily. As the cookie is baking, let's melt some chocolate here. Here I am using 75 grams of good quality dark chocolate. With the help of a double boiler, melt the chocolate. This is the easiest and the most foolproof way to melt chocolate. So here you see the cookie is done and they're looking so pretty. Now we will dip the cookies in melted chocolate to make it look all pretty and add delicious chocolate flavor. If you wish, you could also use white chocolate here. Now top the cookies with some chopped powdered nuts like peanuts, walnuts or pistachio. Chopped pistachio, which is used over here, looks very pretty in these chocolate cookies. So here you have a big batch of homemade cookies which has been made using the cleanest of ingredients, full of nutrition and taste so delicious. These cookies are chewy and you see how delicious they are looking. Enjoy the cookies with a cup of coffee or a glass of milk, a perfect snack when you are looking for a quick sweet tooth fix. Vegan, gluten-free, chewy and so delicious. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. All the ingredients have been listed in the description box below, so please check them before making.